Hello, today we will guide you through how to view your Slack history in one click. To get started, open Slack and go to the channel where you want to check your recent activity. In this example, you'll be inside a channel view, which is where Slack displays messages, updates, and ongoing conversations. Make sure the channel is fully open on your screen before moving on. This helps you easily spot the navigation options at the top of the Slack window. Once you're in the channel, direct your attention to the top area of the screen. Near the search bar, you'll find a history option. This area is part of Slack's main navigation, so if you don't notice it right away, take a moment to scan across the top toolbar carefully. The history button is useful because it gives you quick access to recent activity without needing to manually scroll through conversations or search for messages one by one. When you've located the history option, click on it. This will open the history view and show you a list of recent items connected to your Slack activity. Depending on your workspace and what you've recently opened, this section may include channels, conversations, or other recent locations you visited. It's a simple shortcut that can save time, especially if you need to jump back to something you were just looking at. After the history panel opens, look for the item labeled as a recent channel entry. In this example, you'll select the recent item shown for the channel. Click on that recent item to open it. This takes you directly back to the relevant channel history in just one step, which is especially helpful if you're switching between conversations throughout the day and want a faster way to return to where you left off. As a quick tip, this feature works best when you already know the channel or conversation you recently accessed. It's designed for speed and convenience, so it's a great option when you want to revisit something quickly instead of browsing through the sidebar. If your Slack window feels crowded, maximizing the app or widening your browser window can also make top navigation items easier to see. And that's it. You've just learned how to view your Slack history in one click and use it to quickly reopen a recent channel.